Perspective, we have 3 vanishing points, and the rule of thumb is you'll draw no line unless it originates from one of these 3 vanishing points. So let's get started. I'm going to take our line tool, draw a line here, and this is going to delineate. It can be off to an angle a little bit. It's going to delineate the side, not the side, but the corner of one of my boxes. And I'm actually going to, rather than erase, I'm just going to move this up a little bit so that that's the corner of the box that I see. Now, just like in 2-point perspective, I'm going to draw lines from these 2 other vanishing points to create 2 sides of my box. So now I've got 2 sides kind of going off into infinity. And what we normally do with 2-point perspective is we draw parallel lines to this line to create 2-point perspective. With 3-point perspective, as I mentioned, you can only draw lines deriving from one of the 3 points. So this time, the sides that I determine are going to come from the 3rd point here at the bottom. So now that I have those points created, I can actually create the top the same way I normally do in 2-point perspective. And now I have all my work lines for this drawing, and I can erase the working lines and just keep the box.